Control number 41610, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and madam. My name is Maria Raira Kalinawan Tulibas. I am 42 years old. I am a single mother of two, 13 years old and 11 years old. I have only one sister, and I am the eldest of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am a college graduate at St. Paul's Business School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to help my family in their living.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, I have been in Saudi Arabia for 7 years and 5 months as a domestic helper.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, and I giving them a bath, feeding them, playing with them, and taking care of them.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
I can cook and I can tutor a little bit English.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook Chinese food like steamed fish and vegetable, Filipino food like chicken adobo, Arabic food like Arabic kabsa and wagaina.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I am honest, I am patient, I'm willing to learn, and a hard worker.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I will always apologize and say sorry to them.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We have a good relationship and they treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear sir and madam, if you ever chose me as a domestic helper, I will do my best to take care of your family and your household, and I will promise that I will finish my contract and more. Thank you and God bless you.